What's up, you guys? It's actually evening, 8 o'clock, and it's game time. Lightning are already up 1-0. Play-by-play updates. So far, this is one of our best first periods I've seen us play in a very long time. So far. What's up, you guys? Just laying here. I actually fell asleep before the Lightning game was over. I was really tired. But I'm off tomorrow, so that's a good deal. The Lightning did win, though, so I was actually kind of surprised because I don't honestly have a lot of faith when Lindbach is in net. The team just doesn't like to play when he's in net, so unfortunate because I feel like he's pretty good. But there you go, Lightning, and we won. But I'm about to probably wake up Kim here so she can move over here and we can lay down and go to bed. So again, sorry for the short vlog, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.